me show you how I made this beautiful trouser in just 4 minutes. Check the post before this one for the first part of this tutorial.
And this is what I cut out for the waistband. Remember, it's 5 inches in length. When you fold it, it's 2.5 inches. For the wideness of the band, get your pants and measure the waist all round like this. Whatever you get, that will be the wideness of your band. Mine is like 56 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance, that's 57 inches. Get the band piece and place it on fold like this. Leave the fold edge and come to this other edge. Remember, this is 5 inches long. Place your tape like this and mark out 2.5 inches first. Then place your tape on the 2.5 inches mark and come down by 2 inches. Also mark out the 2 inches with your chalk. If you measure the remaining, it's like ½ inch. This simply means that we are going to stitch through the 2.5 inches, then leave an opening of 2 inches. Don't stitch on the 2 inches, please. Then stitch on the remaining ½ inch. I am done stitching. Now watch closely to understand well. This is the 2.5 inches. I have stitched there. The opening below is 2 inches. I did not stitch on it. The remaining ½ inch, I stitched on it. This is what yours should look like. Next, open up the ½ inch seam allowance and top stitch on both sides. This is me top stitching on both sides, so that the 2 inches opening will be more visible. This is what yours should look like after top stitching. I hope you understand. If you are confused, please play back the video so that you can follow up. Next, I will fold it like this. Please make sure the 2 inches opening will be at the front of your jumbo pants, because that is where the rope will come out from. I will get my pants, place it on my table with the front facing up. I will get the waistband and join it to the waistline of the jumbo pants, making sure the 2 inches opening will be exactly at the front of my pant. This is me joining the band to the pant waist. You can use any method of your choice to join it, but please make sure the 2 inches opening is showing at the front of your jumbo pants. I am done joining, and this is what I have. As you can see, my opening is at the front. Next is to create our elastic and rope channel. The first channel is for the elastic. The second channel will be for the rope, and the third channel will also be for the second elastic. Use your chalk and tape to divide this 2 inches waistband into 3. Remember, it was 2.5, but the half is for the seam allowance, so we are now left with 2 inches. Divide this 2 inches waistband into 3. This means that we will run 2 stitches on the waistband. Make sure they are equal. This is me marking out the first and second line with my chalk. Next, I will run the first stitch all around the waistband. After that, I will go ahead and run the second stitch. On the second mark, I marked out with my chalk all around as well. Now, this is the 1 and 2 lines. My openings are still intact. Get the first elastic and pass it through the first casing or channel. For the measurement of your elastic, measure your round waist and take out 3 to 5 inches depending on how tight you want it to be. My waist is 32. 32 minus 4, that will give 28 inches. I will measure the 28 inches like so and cut out excesses. Then use safety pin to pass the elastic through the first channel. Push it in and bring out the safety pin from the other channel opening like so. When you take out the pin, you either tie the elastic or you double stitch it tightly. I am done stitching it tightly. I will use something and push it into the channel so it won't be showing. Get the second elastic and do the same thing. Remember to pass the second elastic through the third channel. The second channel is for rope. I am done passing the second elastic through the third channel. I have also pushed it in. Next, get the rope. Pin the safety pin to one end of the rope like so. Locate the second channel opening and insert the safety pin. Then start pushing in the rope into the second casing. Continue pushing it till you get to the other opening. Bring out the safety pin and adjust the rope well like this. This is our inner pocket, the bias design, and the elastic waistband. Well and neatly made.
The tutorial on how I made the top is dropping tomorrow, so don't miss it for anything. Bye.